Hey guys, Dan here with VitterTech. So today Apple released Apple Fitness Plus, their newest fitness app set to take on Peloton. The app features a ton of guided workouts by a bunch of personal trainers, but the biggest feature is that it syncs with your Apple Watch. So you're gonna get to see all of your stats like your heart rate or your calories burned up on the screen along with your guided workout. It's also going to show you information as you need it. So if you're doing a cardio workout, it's going to tell you what your heart rate is in that given moment. There's also a thing called a burn bar, which is going to show up to offer you competition and to show you how you compare to others who are doing that class. It's going to work on all of your Apple products from your Mac to your iPhone to your iPad to even tvOS. So today we're going to do a demo and try it out on tvOS. Let's get into it. All right, so here we can see that you've got me logged in at the corner already, and it shows that I do have an Apple Watch. We've got a carousel of a bunch of new workouts that are coming. There's yoga, we've got cycling, strength, dance, core, and a bunch of other ones here. You can see if you go down, you can filter through all the different kinds of workouts. We've got new this week, so they're said to be having new ones every single week. We've got a collection here of workouts to get started. If we click on those, it looks to have 7 different episodes. So here they are. We've got strength, yoga, HIIT, core, and then strength, yoga, and HIIT again. We've got our popular workouts here. You can break it down by every individual trainer if you have a favorite. We've also got some simple and quick ones here as well. So if we select a specific type of workout here, so we're going to choose core, then you can do all of your filters on the left. So here we can see all trainers, or we can filter through specific ones. If we go back here, you can change all durations. For here, we're just going to do 10 minutes. And then all music, you can filter through all of your different genres, but here we're just going to go ahead and hit all. All right, and here we go. We're going to try out core with Kyle.
Team, what is going on? It's Coach Kyle at the Fitness Plus studio in Santa Monica.
Okay guys, so that was Apple Fitness Plus. Everybody gets 3 months free. You get a year if you buy a new Apple Watch. Aside from that, it's a monthly subscription that you can either pay for on its own or with the new Apple One bundle. Apple Fitness Plus works with all of the latest generation devices on the newest software, including iOS 14, tvOS 14, and watchOS 7.2. Once you download the update, you can go into the Fitness app and you'll see the Fitness Plus tab to get started. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought about this. As always, hit that like button because it tells YouTube that this video doesn't suck. Hit subscribe to see more from me. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.